Hi, welcome to Project 10, where we're using freezer paper as an image transfer. So, with your cardstock, you're going to glue it to your freezer paper, which should be about 8.5 by 11, which is the typical standard size printer paper. Now, if you have any problems with using cardstock and getting it through your printer, what I actually had to use was just normal printer paper and tape it to my freezer paper with Scotch tape to get it to go through. For some reason, I was having some issues with that. Then after it prints out, I notched it as you saw at the very beginning. I cut it a notch so I could see exactly where I needed to put it on my board so it was easy to make sure it went on as straight as possible. Then I'm just using my squeegee and I'm pushing it across my board. You can kind of flip it up. You can use painter's tape if you need to, but it's not necessary. Now when I got done doing my transfer, I didn't like the way it looked. It just didn't, I sanded the edges. I just was not a fan. So I used a gel pen and I'm outlining it right now to show you the difference that it's going to make. Now, I still wasn't too thrilled with how the gel pen looked, so I'm using lacquer thinner now with a paintbrush to kind of smudge it up a little. And I am so happy I did that because I was not a fan of the very blah kind of look. This kind of outlines it. It's still distressed, but it looks gorgeous, and now I'm happy, and I'm definitely going to put it up in my husband and I's room. Other than that, it's a pretty easy technique to use.